Hey guys, this is me.
When do you think you'll be back?
I don't know. It's an undefined amount of time, remember?
So you'll be back in time for my dance recital?
Matthew, I got a crazy idea for you. We go to Europe.
I don't know what's going on with you, but I can't just leave the country on a whim.
I need to do this, man, and I cannot do it without you.
Oh, you mean financially?
No, man, no. Reichstag, Checkpoint Charlie. We're not doing any of this shit, man. I didn't abandon my family to go on vacation with goddamn Rick Steves.
One day you'll bypass all that dawdling and delaying. You'll seek excitement where the movers are shaking. With taxis zigzagging, again you'll find joy. Prepared to avoid each decoy. Prepared because you're that kind of boy. It's bedtime, buddy.
Bedtime.
Yes, bedtime.
No,
Yes, bedtime.
What is that? Diapers?
Hang with me, man, and you're gonna need one. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go.